And you know what, my brothers and sisters? You and I would agree with the fact that it's easy to stay away from eating pork and drinking alcohol when you're fasting. That's very easy. Because most people don't eat pork and drink alcohol out of Ramadan. But when you're fasting, one of the slip-up that people make is this, a tongue. We let it all loose. And we say what we want and we do what we want. And one of the reasons for that is because we think we know it all and we're too pious. We know it all and we're too pious. Two satanic qualities. Remember, that was the reason why Satan refused to obey the command of Allah when Allah commanded him to bow to Adam. Satan thought, I'm so knowledgeable, I'm so pious, why must I bow to Adam? He had that takabbur of arrogance that he thought that he was pious and he was educated. And in Ramadan, we may think we're very pious, we're very this, we read the whole Quran, we completed it many times, we almost completed it. Oh, we are so much. And then we look down on other people, we speak down on people. No, please don't do that. You know what is going to happen with that, my brothers and sisters? You see, sometimes if we don't know the consequences, then you will go around and say, well, Sheikh said that, I don't have to practice it. Don't worry about him. No, it's not that. Then our blessings of fasting could end up going to someone we have insulted and we have hurt. Somebody that we have hurt, abused, and insulted, the blessings from our fasting, they will get it. And that is why the Prophet ﷺ says, on the day of judgment, some people will rise bankrupt. Yeah? Why would they rise bankrupt? Bankrupt? Why? Because they oppressed people, they abused people, they insulted people, they hurt people. So all their fasting and their salah and their zakat and their sadaqah and their charity go to the people that they have hurt, oppressed, and abused. So on the day of judgment, when they think they got a big bank account with trillions of blessings, it's zero. Other people got it. So two things to remember. We will be disobeying the laws of Islam to act like that when we're fasting, and then we'll be losing the blessings of our fasting. At the end of the day, we would have just remained hungry. So, my brothers and sisters, let this Ramadan